Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make these amazing cookies. First of all, soften up your butter in the microwave and add it to the bowl. Then go ahead and add your sugar and mix well again. Now add the beaten egg into the bowl and mix. Finally, sieve your flour in and mix it in a cutting motion with your spatula. Once that's done, your mixture should look like this. After 30 minutes, flour your counter and roll out your dough until it's 5 mm thick. Now for the fun part. Get your cookie cutters and add the shapes into your dough. Pop all of that into the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your cookies should be hard and golden brown around the edges. And that's it. These cookies are really easy to make and a delicious fun snack for everyone.